Hello everyone, we present the FFpower Solar Generator BP2000. Say goodbye to blackouts. FFpower Solar Generator BP2000. Your green energy anywhere. Tired of depending on the electrical grid? Are you worried about running out of power at a crucial moment? Release your independence with the FFpower Solar Generator BP2000. Imagine, enjoy clean, renewable electricity in your home, even during power outages. Power your electronic devices anywhere, from camping to road trips. Live a more sustainable lifestyle and reduce your carbon footprint. The FFpower Solar Generator BP2000 allows you to generate up to 2,000 watts of power with clean solar energy. Store up to 2,048 watt-hours of energy in a long-lasting lithium battery. Connect a wide range of devices, from smartphones and laptops to refrigerators and air conditioners. Control your energy system easily and intuitively with the mobile application. Are you worried about the installation? Don't worry. The FFpower Solar Generator BP2000 is easy to install and use. You don't need technical knowledge or special tools. Are you afraid of running out of energy? With the FFpower Solar Generator BP2000, you will have the peace of mind knowing that you will always have power available, even in the most unexpected moments. Do you want an innovative and ecological product? The FFpower Solar Generator BP2000 is the perfect solution for you. It is an investment in your future and in the planet. Save money on your electricity bills. Limited time offer. Don't miss the opportunity to purchase the FFpower Solar Generator BP2000 with an irresistible discount. Reserve yours now. What are you waiting for to live a more independent and sustainable life? FFpower Solar Generator BP2000. Your green energy at your fingertips. Don't run out of energy. Limited units. Do not miss yours. More than 10,000 people already enjoy the green energy of the FFpower Solar Generator BP2000. The FFpower Solar Generator BP2000 has given me peace of mind, knowing that I will always have power available, even during blackouts. Anna, mother of the family. It's the perfect product for my road trips. I can charge my laptop, phone and other devices without worrying about running out of battery. Pedro, adventurer. I am very satisfied with the FFpower Solar Generator BP2000. It is easy to use and has allowed me to reduce my carbon footprint. 1. Environmentalist. Don't miss this unique opportunity. FFpower Solar Generator BP2000. Your green energy for a brighter future. What are you waiting for to take the step towards a more independent and sustainable life?
To receive more videos like these, please subscribe to the channel, like it, and press the bell. To enjoy exclusive discounts, click the link in the description and get this product at the best price. Don't forget to click the link below to enjoy exclusive warranty and fast delivery of this product.